Hey y'all, today we're making homemade chicken stock. So let's get started. We're gonna put in buku herbs and aromatics and some seasoning. So let's start by rough chopping 1 peel medium onion, 1 medium green bell pepper that we've removed the seeds from, 2 to 3 clean stalks of celery, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and 1 serrano pepper that we've also removed the seeds from. We need 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh thyme, some iodized salt, peppercorns, and Mrs. Clotilde's Creole seasoning or the Creole seasoning of your choice, 2 to 3 bay leaves, and a small bunch of fresh parsley. It's always best to use fresh herbs if possible for homemade stock. I'll also put a link in the description box for the Mrs. Clotilde's if y'all are interested. This is 1.5 to 2 pounds of bone-in, skin-on chicken cut into large pieces and lightly salted. I think dark meat is best for a stock, but it's your stock, so customize as you see fit. Severing the bones helps create a highly nutritious stock with that sought-after collagen-rich gelatin. So let's brown the chicken in a stock pot with roughly 1 tablespoon of neutral oil over medium-high heat. Now, once there is some color on the chicken, add all of the veggies, the herbs, and the seasoning. Then you want to cover with about 13 cups of cold water. I also added 3 leaves of fresh basil, which I forgot to mention earlier. Then you want to simmer the stock uncovered for roughly 4 hours over medium heat. And you can see the reduction ring around the interior of this pot. Then once the stock has cooled, you want to strain it first with a colander, then a second time using a fine mesh sieve. You can even line the sieve with cheesecloth for a super duper clear stock. And there you have it. Good loving from the oven, homemade chicken stock. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.